Ever won a crypto giveaway, scored some sweet beam, and now you're wondering, how on earth do I get that cash into my hands? Well, you're not alone. Many people have this question, and today, we're diving deep into the world of Beam wallet withdrawals. Beam, for those unfamiliar, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency known for its strong emphasis on user anonymity. But how do you actually access your hard-earned Beam? The good news is, it's not as complicated as you might think. While Beam itself isn't directly linked to traditional banking systems, there are a few clever ways to convert your Beam into usable fiat currency. Method 1. Peer-to-peer exchanges. One popular option is to use peer-to-peer, P2P, exchanges. These platforms connect you with other users willing to trade Beam for your local currency. How it works: you find a buyer on the exchange, agree on a price and payment method, like bank transfer or cash, and then send them your Beam. Pros: often offers competitive exchange rates and flexibility in payment methods. Cons: can involve some risk, as you're dealing with individuals directly. Always choose reputable exchanges and take precautions to avoid scams. Method 2. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Many major cryptocurrency exchanges support Beam trading. How it works: you sell your Beam for a more widely traded cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum on the exchange. Then, you can withdraw that cryptocurrency to your personal wallet and sell it for fiat currency on another exchange that supports your local currency. Pros: provides access to a wider range of trading options and potentially better liquidity. Cons: involves multiple steps and may incur higher fees due to multiple transactions. Method 3. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. DEXs offer a decentralized alternative for trading your Beam. How it works: you directly trade your Beam for another cryptocurrency on the blockchain, without relying on a centralized intermediary. Pros: more privacy and control as you're in charge of your own funds. Cons: can be more complex to use for beginners and may have lower liquidity compared to centralized exchanges. Important considerations. Fees: always factor in transaction fees associated with each method. Exchange rates: compare exchange rates across different platforms to get the best deal. Security: prioritize security at every step. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Finding the right solution for you. The best method for withdrawing money from your Beam wallet depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider factors like your level of experience with cryptocurrency, the amount of Beam you want to withdraw, your preferred payment methods, the level of privacy you require. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.